Yo, it's your boy Meets 2 times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. As y'all see, I'm out in the woods again. You know, I like to change up my environment sometimes because, you know, filming in the same place, it kind of get boring a little bit. So, you know, I want to change it up, and I like this ASMR, like if y'all hear the leaves falling in the background or like the stream going, yeah. But that's beside the point, man. But how y'all doing, man? Like, everything good with y'all? Like, I want to know. Let me know down in the comments below. If you need to talk about anything, just hit me up, man. Here to talk. Just let me know how you doing down in the comments, bro. And be vulnerable, bro. And that's what this video is about. This video is about being vulnerable. It's okay to be vulnerable sometimes, bro. Now, there are certain levels to vulnerability, I will say, but the way that society has pushed upon, especially men, about being vulnerable is don't do it at all. It's a sign of weakness. But it's not. I feel like it's actually a sign of strength because tying back into even doing my channel, but that one big video that I dropped on how porn ruined my life, bro, like literally my whole channel revolves, like anything I talk about revolves around that video. Like I was vulnerable enough to get on here and talk about my problems and stuff like that, and so many people were like, you know, you have a lot of strength. They respect me because of it, because a lot of people won't do it. But you know, that was me being vulnerable, putting my feelings out there. That was me putting my story, my problems out there, man. And you know, I didn't just put my problems out there and be like, I want people to feel bad for me. No, that's the type of vulnerability where people are gonna take advantage of you. But what I did is I turned a negative thing into a positive thing, where that was affecting my life, but now I'm creating content to help other people and myself overcome that. Let me move this a little bit because of the sun. Yeah, like I'm helping other people with going through the same addiction and stuff like that, and other you know, other things of self-improvement that will help them out. And that's like the bottom line is I was vulnerable during that, man. Like, I didn't have to get up on there. A lot of people won't do that. A lot of people will be like, they're gonna judge me and, you know, think different of me, and you know, people aren't gonna like me or think I'm weak, man, because that's what went through my mind, bro. Like, I was like, a little bit, I was like, damn, people are probably gonna think I'm weird or something like that. But deep down inside, like, you're being vulnerable is basically being open, bro, and not knowing what to expect, if you get what I'm saying. Like, you're vulnerable. Like, if you have your, like a cat, if a cat has its stomach open, it's vulnerable. It doesn't like feeling vulnerable. But it's like you give an open space and you just put it out there, and it's like you know, like, if you get hit somewhere, it could hurt. But at the end of the day, if you're mentally strong, which a lot of people aren't nowadays just because how society rules certain things, if you're not mentally strong and you do, you know, become vulnerable, then that's when things will start to go wrong in your life. Like, people will start taking advantage of you, start stepping over and crossing boundaries and just disrespecting you, man. And it's something that not a lot of people talk about, because once someone hears the word vulnerable, it's like, okay, you're weak. But it's not, man. And I want y'all to know, especially as men, it's okay to be vulnerable sometimes, bro. I'm not saying all the time just tell all your problems and, you know, open up to the world about everything. But I'm a prime example of what being vulnerable can do to your life, man. Now, like I said, I'm not sitting around just telling y'all all my problems and not doing anything. I'm giving y'all education on what's helping me come out of the places that are making me become vulnerable, man. Like, if you get what I'm saying, like with addictions or with social anxiety and stuff like that, you have to put yourself out there, man. You have to. And that goes for anything in life. If I would have never put myself out there, I would not be talking to you right now. If I would have never put myself out there at going to a party, I would have never met somebody there that eye contact still, like, you feel me? It's all about, everything is like, I want to say everything, but like a lot of things you do in life, you have to be vulnerable. Like, you have to be willing to take a risk, and without risk there's no reward. So going up to a girl, you're being vulnerable. You're like, okay, I could get rejected right now. You're opening up to a girl, but there's only two things that can happen, yes or no. With my channel, same thing. Me post this video, there's only two things that can happen. You can either not like me and make fun of me, or you can relate to me and support me. Simple as that. And I feel like, you know, I'm not gonna say I'm the most mentally strong, but I feel like I'm very mentally strong because, you know, even with doing things like this, man, doing things like this, me going out in public, bro, I know a few of y'all probably seen me in public, man. It's a small world, bro. So it's like, that's also me being vulnerable, like putting myself out there where now people around me in my circle who personally know me knows things about me, man. But I feel like when you are vulnerable and open about things that people normally aren't, that's when stuff gets better. Because me trying to quit this addiction alone, well, I will say, no, you can't do anything alone, you need God. But me trying to quit this addiction on my own and, like, you know, have a skeleton in the closet, bro, it was very hard, man. But now, like, I like, bruh, like, I really don't have no urges, man. Again, and I don't want to jinx myself, but I don't, like, I don't even peek at that shit now, bro. Like, before I would just peek at it and, you know, not even do anything. But like, now I don't even want to do that, and that's because I opened up and I felt relieved because I wasn't canning it up inside for so long, bro. And it eats you alive. When people say it's gonna eat you alive, like inside it's gonna eat you alive, it's true, bro. It's real. It's real, bro. Because it was eating me alive. It was affecting my daily life and everything, man. But I was allowing that because I was keeping it inside. When stuff, it's like pressure. If you put so much pressure inside of a bottle, eventually it's gonna explode, bro. So if you let a little bit out, the pressure's gonna start going back down, man. But if you let that pressure build up, keep building up, and so much going inside of you, one day you're just gonna burst, bro. You're gonna do something that you wish you never did. It's not gonna be a good sight, bro. When something bursts and explodes, it's unrepairable, bro. I'll just leave it at that. So yeah, man, I just want to let y'all know, bro, like, be open. Just be open, bro, about certain things. Like, don't think everyone's here to judge you. And if they are, I'm gonna tell you, like, excuse my French, but fuck them, bro. Fuck them, bro. Live your life, bro. If you want to tell somebody something and they're willing to listen, or you just want to vent, especially to my men, you feel me? Because we really get told not to do that, because that's feminine energy. But there's a certain way you could go about it. Now, if you are like, oh my God, like, she left me and blah, 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 blah. No, bro. Now you're being a bitch. Real shit. And I know I don't like making anybody feel down, but you're being a bitch, man. So, but you could be vulnerable, like talk to your mans or something like that. If they really a mans, because if they really a mans, they not gonna joke around and be like, oh, she probably getting piped down right now. Like, if your girl just broke up with you and you want to talk to someone, be like, yo, bro, look, you know, I'm going through it right now. Like, what should I do? My girl broke up with me. You got any advice for me? That's the okay being vulnerable and stuff like that. But don't sit up here and be weak about it. Being vulnerable does not mean you're weak, so don't think that. And like I said, as men, we get told not to do that, but it's okay to do that, and I'm telling you that, man. And I'm a prime example of putting my face in front of 300,000 people, bro, and still growing. Like, that video could blow up tomorrow and hit 2 million views, and it's just like, it's helping me. It's helping me when you're open about things. It's gonna help you out, bro. And I probably am gonna start seeing a therapist just for like other issues and stuff like that. But this was a first good stepping stone for me to open up, because like, I've been doing things that I would not do, bruh. I would not. Everything, bruh. Cut my hair off, bruh. Talk to girls. Film out in public. quit my addiction, like a whole bunch of stuff. Like, bro, it goes deep. Like I said in the second video, or the video, one of the videos in the back. I'm sorry, man, I'm a little bit tired. But it all happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason, bro. And I will say, be mindful who you're vulnerable with, because they will use that against you. And I will say that, like me with my family, I'm gonna be honest with you, I can't be vulnerable around them because they're gonna clown me, they're gonna talk down on me. And we could try so hard not to let it get to us, but in the back of the mind, you got that tick in the back of your head. You like, it's kind of getting to me, you know. And it used to get to me a lot, but like now, like I rub it off. But like I still try not to let it get to me, but it's still like in the back of my mind, like, damn, why would she say that or something? But like that's why I don't tell them things anymore, bro. I rarely, whenever I'm telling somebody something, it's like I really gotta trust you, and I gotta make sure you got no bad intent. Like, I don't know, this year I just stopped telling people my plans and stuff. And I'm gonna make a video on that as well. It's like, you know, don't be vulnerable to the wrong person, bro. Because a lot of wicked people out there that don't want to see you do better than them. And then when you put that energy out there, their demons are going to try and latch on to you. So yeah, man, with that being said, you know, just let it out, bro. Let it out. I'm telling you right now, if you need someone to talk to, I tell y'all in every video, bro. Discord down in the description below. Just join the Discord. Go in one of the channels, Relapse Help, or, you know, DM me personally. I'm on there. And we could talk, bro. And we do group meetings every day. We're like voice calls and stuff where we do our push-ups and stuff like that. And we've been doing good on that. So, you know, if you feeling alone right now, man, come over and join us, bro. Join the tribe, man. We here to welcome any and everybody. We don't judge, bro. Feel me? It's a safe space. If you feel like you got nobody, bro, you got us, man. You got me, you got the tribe, and you got yourself, and you got God as well. That being said, man, if you can give this video a like, a thumbs up, smash it. If you really enjoy my videos and you're not subscribed yet, I mean, the button's right there. You might as well just click it, man. It takes a millisecond, bro. Just click it. Click that little red button, please. You know. And yeah, man. Comment down below if you're going through anything. If you want to chat, hit me up on Instagram, Discord. And yeah, with that being said, man, I will catch y'all in the next video, man. I love y'all. I love each and every one of y'all, bro. Catch y'all in the next video, man. Get it.